Omolara, the same business that on your team feel buy. People are beginning to ask questions. To bá the level kan, agbára ò ní ká mọ́.
Àwọn wo làwọn èèyàn tó ń sọ yìí? Jẹ́ kí n guess. Kò tiẹ̀ lead. Nítorí ò tí fún mi lẹ́rìí tó dájú. Àmọ́ títí dìgbà tó máa fi fún mi lẹ́rìí tó dájú àwọn èèyàn tó ń sọ yìí. David, I am watching and I am waiting.
You used me.
You? All of a sudden, ọkàn wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lẹ́rìí ọkàn ṣá. Ẹ̀rí ọkàn tí ò ní tẹ́lẹ̀ irọ́ kò ń ṣe ẹ̀rí ọkàn. Ọkàn yóò fẹ́ ó wá ń jẹ́ kó feel bí ẹni pé o lẹ́rìí ọkàn níwọ. Do not cross me. Because if you do, I will crush you. Màá rún ẹ yégéyégé. Èmi ìkà.
Ẹja mọ́ bá wọn sọ òwe kí wọ́n yé hùwà ìbàjẹ́ mọ́ òwe àní ẹja mọ́ bá wọn sọ òwe.
I teach women how to attract high-value men in the society. So when they ask you, what do you bring to the table? You can mention a sea of things. It's high time women begin to know their worth. They begin to tell people what they really have to offer because they have a lot to offer. It's high time men know what women do in marriage because actually we do a lot. See what bá jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin tí mo sọ yìí, ẹ máa bọ̀ wá kí wá darapọ̀ mọ́ academy wa, Wife Material Academy. Yàtọ̀ sí wípé a máa kọ́ yín bí ẹ ṣe máa wò wá láti lè rí àwọn ọkùnrin gidi láwùjọ wa. Àwa fún ara wa tí máa matchmake ní mú àwọn ọkùnrin gidi ní society as long as they bá ti meet up the criteria wa. Ó yá, kí lẹ wá dúró dè? Ẹ tètè register for academy wa. Àyè pọ̀ fún yín lọ́dọ̀ títí wa. Orúkọ mi ni Omolara Aderinoye Johnson. See you at the academy. Bye.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi lórí Savage Daughter. Ọ̀rọ̀ kan trend lórí social media lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ìyẹn lórí topic of what do women bring to the table? Ṣé rí ẹ̀yin obìnrin tí ẹ̀ ń fi èsì sí ìbéèrè yìí? Ẹ̀yin ni mo rí bá wí o. Nítorí wípé ọkùnrin tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ tèmi ní pé what do I bring to the table? Tó bá ṣe béèrè question yẹn lọ́wọ́ mi báyìí, that is the end of our conversation. Ṣé wá rí obìnrin tí wọ́n ń pè ní Omolara Johnson yẹn tó lóhun matchmaker tó ń kọ́ àwọn obìnrin ní ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa how to get a high value man. Ṣé rí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń kọ́ yín yẹn á tún máa jẹ́ kí àwọn ọkùnrin má rate yín. Men will start to look at you less because iṣẹ́ ọkùnrin òun ni láti máa wá jíjẹ, láti máa wá mímu, àti láti máa ṣètọ́jú àwa obìnrin. I am embarrassed on behalf of those women attending those seminars. Àwọn kan tún lọ enroll ara wọn sí Wife Academy. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o, ṣó ní ibì kan tó ti ń kọ́ nípa ọkùnrin? I mean, show me a husband academy, I'll wait. Ó ṣe wá jẹ́ àwa obìnrin la máa ṣe àwọn nǹkan tí ò make sense. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí a sùn kí a ro orí wa dáadáa gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin. Kí ayé tẹ̀lé àwọn tí wọ́n value obìnrin wọ̀nyí. Àwọn obìnrin kan á rò pé ẹwà tí Ọlọ́run fún wọn òun ló ń jẹ́ kí wọ́n tayọ láàrin àwọn obìnrin tó kù. Wò ó, tí wọ́n bá ń pọ́n ẹ lé, ìyẹn ò ní pé èèyàn gidi ni ẹ o. Nítorí wípé ìlú àwọn afọ́jú òun ni olójú kan tí ń jọba. Àmọ́ ní báyìí, ẹ má jẹ́ kí èèyàn kankan kó máa pe ajá lọ́bọ̀ fún wa. This is 2026. We need to cancel systems like Wife Academy. Ṣó ti yé yín? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti mọ̀ ní pé iṣẹ́ tí a rán ẹ̀mí wá sílé ayé wa ṣe, òun ni láti fi àwọn ọkùnrin sí ààyè wọn. So màá rí yín ní next episode Savage Daughter. Ẹ má gbàgbé o, kí ẹ like, kí ẹ comment, kí ẹ dẹ̀ share videos yìí. Let's start the conversations today. Ó dàbọ̀.
And cut. That was so enlightening. Lára àwọn nǹkan tí mo kọ́ was when you said femininity is your currency, and when you spoke about paying attention to how a man lead people around him and you.
It was a fantastic section. Do you really mean it when you said about not paying a dime to enter the Wife Academy?
Alakoko, let me appreciate you guys for watching the live video. I'm glad that you are able to learn one thing or the other. Now, concerning payment to the academy, lóòótọ́ ni wípé a fi ń gba owó fún academy wa. Ní academy wa rather. And ìdí dẹ̀ ni wípé mo fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn take it seriously. Mo fẹ́ kọ́ mọ̀ wípé it's not about the money. It's about people learning, women learning independence, women learning confidence, women finding themselves. That's what the academy is about majorly. Simba sọ pé kó máa mú wá, ẹlòmíràn nílé afford it. Àmọ́ wò wọ́n kí wọ́n ṣe. That's why ta ṣe make it pé ẹ má worry, ẹ má sanwó. Ẹ wá gbọ́ mi yé o. Kò kí ń ṣe wípé tí wọ́n bá ti make it, tó ti rí ọkọ tó dáa, tí wọ́n ti wà nílé aláyọ̀, ṣé mo pa máa matchmake àwọn èèyàn náà, tí wọ́n bá ti wá rí adé orí wọn, tó wá pè mí, tó fún mi lẹ́bùn, àbí tó send owó sí mi, ibi máa gbà o, torí mi ìbẹ̀yẹ wo mi kí n gbówó ṣọ̀tá o, mi ìbẹ̀ kí n ṣe ọ̀tá good gift, but you give me gift at that point, I will gladly take it. But at this point, when you are not settled, finding yourself is more important to me. I just want people to know that this is not about money, but it's about educating women.
Oh, that's amazing. I'm definitely going to tell people to apply, and I'm going to join this next section. Yeah.
Okay, that will be nice. My team and I will be expecting you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, ma.
Thanks. All right.
Ẹ̀kọ́ tí mo ń kọ́ wọn ò ṣe fòórà. Wọ́n ò lè ríra bí wọ́n lọ sọ́jà.
Torí ọmọ. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ gbogbo rubbish? Àbúrò àwọn comment.
Well, it is what it is.
I mean, I don't believe these women. These women are unbelievable. Kí ló dé? I really can't believe these women.
It is what it is. We can't control their actions.
Òtún àmọ́ èyí tó dùn mí nínú, tó bí mi nínú jù ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kì í ṣe àwọn ọkùnrin yẹn o.
You can guess. I want pick me woman.
Exactly. I mean, pick me. Being a pick me won't get you anywhere. Má wo nǹkan o. Tí àwọn ọkùnrin tí wọ́n bá náwó, tí wọ́n ò nára, kó tó di pé wọ́n rí wa fẹ́. Jọ, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ mọ yìí wa? Èèyàn kan wá jókòó síbì kan, ó ń fi wá lọ ọkùnrin. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ làwa cheap tó ni?
But wait. This Omolara Johnson's issue. Oh, really bother you.
I can't help it. O rí influence tí woman yìí ni. Wá dúró àwọn èèyàn tó ń follow lórí social media. Wo comment section, àwọn ló kún bẹ́ẹ̀.
But you know, we should focus on Savage Daughter because what's in deviates. Yeah, but the monkey, we have not been doing well. We've not been making numbers. Should every that guy don't sponsor what is something we might pull out oh?
Kò yé mi.
Yeah.
Ọlọ́run máa pull out báwo. I thought that was a done deal. Mo rò bí a ti pajú gbogbo yẹn dé náà.
So did I. But also for me, she dada. We're not who now. The last time we went viral was a few months ago. Láti jọ́ ìta tí ń ṣe videos kò sí èyí tó ṣe dáadáa. So I wouldn't blame him. Nǹkan tí mo fi hàn sí ni pé ká wá solution sí gbogbo nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Let's figure it out.
Ṣùgbọ́n kan, ìwọ máa rò, ṣé yẹ, ro nǹkan tá a lè ṣe láti rectify gbogbo issue yìí. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti comes to your conclusion tó ti mọ nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe sí jọ, jẹ́ kí n mọ̀. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, èmi ní láti lọ sí iṣẹ́ tó ń fún mi ní owó oúnjẹ.
Oh yes, our star writer.
Oh, ní broke writer.
Broke.
Jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run.
No problem.
Make sure you're dropping at least one video each day. We need all the publicity we can get right now, okay? Tó bá ti ṣetán, rántí láti set up a meeting pẹ̀lú àwọn sponsor wa yẹn. Kí lorúkọ àwọn yẹn náà?
Ṣé àwọn lágbàdé?
Yes.
Okay.
Meeting wa. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lo ẹ̀kọ́ jẹ́?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember to set it up as soon as possible.
Ma'am.
Yes, please.
There is a small issue.
What's the issue?
Ó ní lady kan tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fídíò yín online. Pàápàá jùlọ lórí wife material.
Kí ló ń sọ nípa ẹ̀? Kí lorúkọ ẹni náà àti pé bí how many followers ló ní?
Okay, you can check. Shade Babalola ni orúkọ ẹ̀.
Okay.
She has about 20k followers and video tí ó drop ó ti ní 1.5k views so far.
1.5k views.
Yes, ma'am.
Ṣé views ni ẹni? Jẹ́ kí n wò jẹun. Wọ́n má worry. Eléyìí kan wá nǹkan tó máa fi trending ni ó wá nǹkan tó máa jẹ ní fílẹ̀ ó máa wà okay. Ignore her. Who's this man? Who is this man? Àwọn èèyàn lówó ní country yìí o.
Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́ o. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́ ṣe là ló ń pọ́n. Ṣe là ló ń pọ́n o. Ilé ayé burú àpọ́ndá sí ni. Ẹja mọ́ bá wọn sọ. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ń bàjẹ́ ṣe là ló ń pọ́n. Ẹyẹ hùwà ìbàjẹ́.
Ṣadé. It's 12 noon ló ṣe ń sùn ni.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Kí ló dé? Mo fẹ́ sùn lánàá. Fẹ́ sùn lánàá. Kí ló dé? Ṣé o wà dáadáa?
Ó jọ pé o mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
Níbo?
O tí rí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
Níbo?
Your phone. O phone ẹ now.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Our video is doing so well. Yes. Ní tó ń bọ́ mi bí kìíní. Ó yá, wọn náà bú fún rẹ.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Our video is now 150k and counting on Instagram. Yes, on YouTube, it's 50,000 views. Everyone is talking about it. Our video is trending. Gbogbo bloggers ń gbé.
Ṣé o ń ṣeré ni? Fídíò tẹ́ ń pé kí n tó sùn lánàá bí 2k views ló ní lórí Instagram.
2k views. Jọ ṣé 2k views ló bá ń bẹ̀? Ṣé 2k views ló bá ń bẹ̀? A ní pé kan trend. Who know who? Yeah.
This is unbelievable. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Báwo ló ṣe ṣe?
Okay. So apparently, Tina Okoye, ó come across video yẹn. Ó dẹ̀ repost ẹ̀ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Kí ló repost ẹ̀ fún báyìí? Gbogbo bloggers bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbé. Everybody there bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ pa. We are trending everywhere. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Just check everything.
Ikú tá ti ń sọ látọjọ́ ìlélẹ̀ yìí.
Still?
X is on fire right now.
Honestly.
Two our comments now.
You should know better now. Eh? We are going better to come out from any attention. So any publicity is publicity right now for us. Whether good, whether bad, we will take it. So far we are trending. That's the energy.
But because I guess so.
No guessing. You see, right now we can start having serious conversation. So we talk on numbers, if I continue, I'm gonna make it. Yeah.
Omo, this is huge.
That's the energy. Showari, right now, okay. I better was strategic pẹ̀lú next move wa. Ani post anyhow. I better was intentional and next post wa. So yeah, so that ani bag go trending.
Bam! My producer has spoken. Omo,
I'm so happy. To wá bí inú mi ṣe ń dùn. Mo ṣe rí, mo ní níbo short haki wa ni.
Kini ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Orí ẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá calculate oríṣiríṣi.
Wo ẹnu ká máa trend lọ báyìí.
Jọ.
Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. I am Omolara Adenhi Johnson. Bye for now. Bye.
Ma, we have a problem.
Problem? What is it, Sorosoke?
She wants to post kan tí mo fi hàn yín níjẹta. Ó ti lọ viral. Everyone is talking about the academy.
You need views now.
Not anymore. Views ẹ ti pọ̀ gan.
Okay. I'm sure it's not that bad.
Mom, it's bad. The comments on it are full of negativity about our academy.
Let me see.
Okay. Ewo.
What is this? Kí ló táwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí? Irú nonsense wo leléyìí?
Mo rò pé
This is terrible. Oh, okay. O rò pé kíni? Okay, you know what? Let's do a video. I'll just do a disclaimer video.
no, ma'am. I don't think that's a good idea. I need láti wà strategic nípa kíni.
Kíni mo fẹ́ ṣe? Màá máa dúró fún kíni? Just a single video will sort all of this out. Kò ṣe big deal. Kò létò yẹn. Má worry.
Ma, I think we just need to take it one step by the other.
We need to do it now.
Okay.
Please, tan camera fún mi jọ̀ọ́. Ó ga o. Tó bá ti ń wówó, tó ti ń wá views, ó ti tán kò sí nǹkan tí wọn ò ní ṣe.
Set it up.
You just not see what you did?
Sorry. Good life. My life, ma'am.
Hello everyone, I'm back again like I never left. I've seen a video of a woman circulating all over the social media. I want you all to know that that woman is jobless and she's just seeking for attention. Because why in the name of God would anyone say that about me and my academy? What do you mean? Academy yóò wà láti demeaning anybody. It's just àbí kí ló tiẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn náà. This is just to protect women, to give women confidence, to let them attract good men. Tani nǹkan tó dá o. I mean, please, do not listen to her. Just disregard whatever she has to say. Because at this point, she cannot stop us. I love you guys. I'll see you in the academy. Bye for now. I am Omolara Adenhi Johnson. Bye. Edit it and post.
Are you sure, ma? Sorry. I'll get right on him.
Mi ò bá máa bẹ̀rù ìwé pé kan kó lé mi kúrò lórí social media ni. ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wà stupid ṣá, you know. Because ta lélẹ̀ ń sìn. Ta lélẹ̀. Barrister ẹ̀wọ̀n, mi ò ní gbà kọ́mọ kan tí ò níṣẹ́ tí ò ní lárí kó wá gbòòrùn lójú mi náà. Kò possible, mi ò ní gbà ni. No, ó mọ wàhálà fa ni, mi náà dé máa bá fa wàhálà. Kò mọ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe níbí báyìí now. Does she know? She doesn't. Ó kàn criticize nǹkan tó mọ̀. Barrister, ẹ jẹ́ kí n pè yín padà, ṣẹ́gbọ́ ẹjọ́. Mo ní emergency. Yeah, okay.
Want to invite you wá fún Seilat.
Seilat.
Yes, ma'am.
Podcast Lady Mirabel yẹn kọ́ ni.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a good one.
And conversation lórí womanhood ló fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lé.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Big platform ni, so okay.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, ṣé yẹn ló dẹ̀ wá sá wọlé bí ẹni pé nǹkan wà ńbẹ̀? Ó dẹ̀ dẹ́rù bà mí.
Sorry, ma'am.
Time wo ni?
9:30 ni.
9:30 a.m.
Láàárọ̀.
Lọ́jọ́ Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Ṣé time yẹn wà okay fún wa?
I'll just check in on our schedule.
Okay, check in and get back to them. We'll do it.
All right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Miss Chade, ẹ kú jókòó. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ má bínú. Second guest mi ṣẹ̀dẹ̀ ni ó ti wà ní premises on ní pẹ́ wọnú bíbá ẹ̀sìn.
Ṣé àwa méjì lè fẹ́ ṣe interview fún papọ̀?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀yin méjì ni mo fẹ́ fi ṣe surprise ni.
Oh. All right then.
Ẹ fẹ́lẹ́.
Ẹ ṣé.
Wọ́n ní pẹ́ wọlé.
Hello.
She's
What? What's going on here?
Calm down. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, calm down.
No. What?
I'm so sorry.
Are you kidding me?
No. Invite me for interview. She invite me láti wá ridicule me ni or what?
No, not at all. Ẹ wò mí fẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ yìí dìjà o. Mo kàn fẹ́ ká wá learn one or two things.
No, please. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ mọ̀ pé community interview lẹ fẹ́ ṣe. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ tí máa sọ fún mi tó bá wù mí máa gbà. Tí ó bá dé wù mí mi ò ní wá. Kò sí nǹkan tó wrong in me, but you should have please. Ẹ bá sọ fún mi now.
Ìwọ ẹ má jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ yìí dìjà. Mo kàn fẹ́ ká learn one or two things from one another ni.
Actually, ká ní pé mo mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí ẹ gbé mi wá síbí báyìí wá ṣe nìyẹn. Mi ò ní wà. Mo ń lọ.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please. Please.
No, this is unprofessional and it's unacceptable to me.
Ẹ má jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ yìí fàjà. Mo kàn fẹ́ ká fi interview ká kàn fi learn one or two things from one another ni.
Well, tell me about it. Àbí ẹ kàn wá ratings àti views from programming.
You know what? Èmi ò tiẹ̀ ní kẹ́ má wá ratings or views from programming. I don't have a problem with that. What I have a problem with is the fact that you chose not to tell us. You deceived us. It make sense. Does it make sense to you?
Exactly. And I apologize. Ẹ má bínú. But by the time we are done with this interview, gbogbo ala ma come out more enlightened now. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mo kàn fẹ́ jẹ́ kí eléyìí jẹ́ avenue for yín to speak your truth. Ẹ mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin méjèèjì lẹ ní followers, lẹ náwọn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́, lẹ ní fans. And there has been a lot of back and forth and banters between both of you.
You know what?
You know?
Let's do it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So, director, are we good to go?
Yeah, we can go.
Okay, is everything all right?
Yes, let's roll it. All right, sound check.
Rolling.
Good. All camera rolling. Let's do it. Action.
Welcome to Seilat, and you already know my guest for today. Welcome, Mrs. Omolara Johnson and Miss Shadi Babalola. So, ẹ jẹ́ kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú yín. Kí lẹ gbà lérò lórí academy tẹ́ pé orúkọ ẹ̀ ní wife material? Kí ni ìtumọ̀ wife material gangan?
Thank you so much. What it simply means is teaching women how to know their worth, add value to themselves and to improve their personal relationship and to have long-lasting relationships with people. That's it all.
Bẹ́yìn ṣe sọ nísìnyí, ó dùn gbọ́ létí ju nǹkan tí advertisement yín sọ lọ.
Kí ni advertisement wá ń sọ?
Ó sọ wípé ẹ̀ ń kọ́ àwọn obìnrin ní pé wọ́n need complete makeover. Ní pé wọ́n nílò láti belittle lára wọn kó tó di pé wọ́n máa wà worthy of love. Kó tó di pé ọkùnrin kankan máa lè fẹ́ wọn sílé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyàwó.
Rárá o. Nǹkan táwa ń kọ́ àwọn èèyàn ní academy wa kọ́ nìyẹn o.
Bóyá kẹ́ láyé wa níbí báyìí nísìn. Nítorí to me, ní pé ẹ̀ ń kọ́ àwọn obìnrin bọ́n ṣe ń rìn bákan, tọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ láwùjọ, tọ́n ṣe ń múra. That seems like a complete makeover to me.
No, it's called self-improvement.
Self-improvement fún àwọn wo? Ṣé fún àwọn ọkùnrin? So that wọ́n máa lè wà worthy of men?
Self-improvement fún ara èèyàn gangan. Self-improvement bí a ṣe ń gbélé ayé, bí a ṣe ń ga sí, bí a dẹ̀ ṣe ń ní growth. Nǹkan tó mí nìyẹn mà.
But instead, èyí tí ẹ fi ń kọ́ àwọn obìnrin bọ́n ṣe lè attract àwọn ọkùnrin tó lówó. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ kọ́ wọn ní confidence? Tẹ́ ẹ kọ́ wọn ní emotional intelligence, ẹ mọ̀, financial literacy and self-worth.
Ta ló wá sọ fún yín wípé gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ kálẹ̀ à kì í kọ́ àwọn èèyàn? Àbí ẹ kàn ń gbé òkèrè criticize nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ni, ẹ kàn ń sọ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ ni.
Kò dìgbà tí n bá wọnú ihò kìnìún kí n tó mọ̀ pé ewu wà níbẹ̀.
Irọ́. Nítorí wípé ẹ ò débẹ̀, ẹ ò rí nǹkan tá à ń kọ́ wọn. Òun lẹ ṣe ń sọ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ń sọ ẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ ṣòro fún àwa láti máa kọ́ àwọn èèyàn ní gbogbo nǹkan tá a máa kọ́ wọn tó bá wá sí academy lórí social media. So, mi ò mọ bẹ́ ṣe ń criticize nǹkan tí ẹ rí, tẹ́ ẹ débẹ̀. You know what? Fọláṣadé, I put it to you. Mo fẹ́ kó attend the academy yìí fúnra rẹ̀. Just spare the next few weeks. Kó fi attend ẹ̀, kó wá rí. Tó bá wá débẹ̀, wàá wá lè ṣàlàyé fáwọn èèyàn bóyá a máa ń belittle ara wa fún ọkùnrin láti fẹ́ wa ni o. Wàá wá mọ̀ bóyá gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ láti jọjọ́ ẹ̀ bóyá òótọ́ ni àbí irọ́ ni. Àmọ́ tó bá attend, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ mọ̀? So mo fẹ́ put it to you. Attend this.
Èmi kí n attend wife academy. Kò lè ṣeé ṣe, kò ní possible.
Kí nìdí?
Because mi ò lè enroll sí academy tí mo preach against. I will do no such thing.
Okay. O fẹ́ gbókèrè mọ́ dídùn ọbẹ̀. Àbí ẹ̀rù tiẹ̀ ń bà ẹ́ nítorí pé o mọ̀ pé o ti sọ̀sọkúsọ gan. Tí ẹ̀rù bàbá ẹ̀, mo challenge ẹ. Attend the academy. And let's say.
Do you accept the challenge? Yeye wá nílé. Ẹ̀yin náà wá rí wípé tó yìí tí ń gbóná kọjá bá ṣe rò lọ. Mrs. Omolara Johnson wọ́n ti challenge Miss Shade Babalola. Ṣé Miss Shade Babalola máa accept challenge Miss Omolara Johnson àbí wọ́n ní accept? Ẹ máa bá wa kálọ.
This is not looking good.
Kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀?
The comments. Báwo comments tó kọ now? She's a coward. She talks too much. Why not accept the challenge? Like, you know, whoa.
Surely, ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ará orí social media yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ti sú mi. One can't predict them. Nǹkan tó rò bí àwọn máa dá sí wọn ní dá sí wo. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ they are the least of my problem right now.
You see, your followers think you're scared. Oh, we are ẹ̀rù ń bà ẹ́ ni. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe lè confront ẹ.
Èmi. Ẹ̀rù ń bà mí. Èmi. Ẹ̀rù ò bà mí o. Gbogbo nonsense tó kàn ṣe bíbẹ̀ yẹn. Kò bẹ́ mi lára mo ṣì ní mo ká gbogbo yẹn sílẹ̀.
Then prove it. Yeah, maybe it's not the worst idea.
Ìwọ náà sọ báyìí. Kí n lọ register sí academy wọn.
Wo náà wo now. gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí fún àǹfààní wa ni. We are trending. We are getting the attraction that we need. Look at the boss. The moment you say you don't want to go there, we stop trending and it dies down. Let's take full advantage of this. And you see now, investors are cycling again. Think about it.
There is so. Àmọ́ yẹn kí n lọ register sí school kan academy kan tó ti ń kọ́bìnrin bọ́n ṣe ń jẹun láì gbóúnjẹ láì lanu bọ́n ṣe ń rìn just to attract a man.
I know. Mo mọ̀ ó wà ridiculous. But kí ló kàn wá? Ṣebí kò táwa fẹ́ ni. Ṣó Devi, ó sure fún mi pé tó bá lọ síbẹ̀ yẹn, you're going to find dirty secrets. Yes. Ṣó mọ̀ pé àwọn olówó yẹn, wọ́n máa ní àwọn àṣírí kọ̀ọ̀kan tó kì í fẹ́ kéèyàn gbọ́n ta. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti get ẹ̀bẹ̀ yẹn, àwa máa lò to our advantage.
You think so?
I know so.
Teaching them how to be wise. White man see that them no get it right. No younger, them no get it right. Lay your bed and show you go life.
Oh, yeah. Hello, ladies. Hi. Thank you. How are you guys doing, by the way?
We are fine.
Good to see all your beautiful faces.
Thank you.
I welcome you all to Wife Material Academy, where a few women are selected specifically for beauties. Good to have you all.
Sorry. Oh, no.
So good to have you, Miss Babalola.
Sorry, traffic ló dá mi dúró.
That's okay. Aha. Hey, Cabo. Okay, in the next few weeks, we'll be taking you through classes, and every one of you, you know that you have to be committed to this, okay? We'll be having series of events, opportunities, and please, you all have to participate. Gbogbo wa pátápátá la need láti participate. And there will be no exception. Right?
Yeah.
Please make sure that you are dedicated and you are committed to this. True transformation only happens when you're committed. Okay?
Yes.
All right, so let's go to the business of the day. How to catch a value man or a man of great value. Number one will be etiquette classes. A lot of us do not even know how to work. You don't know how to sit as a lady. Tó bá ní pé obìnrin ni mí. Obìnrin gbọ́ ẹ ṣe. That's what I'm saying. Sit, cross your legs. Make sure that ibi tí ò bá yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ti rẹ́rìn ó ṣe mẹ́. Ibi tó bá yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ti welcome èèyàn. Give a warm smile. Go back to your seat. You have to place a value on yourself first. And that's one of the reasons we have classes like this. Please, you really have to add value to yourself. Develop yourself. Get better at what you do. It is very, very important. Yeah. I'll go to because of time, we have a lot to do today. I'll go to wardrobe consultation. Lóòótọ́ ni pé gbogbo wa la máa rámú. Àṣà ṣe wèrè. Àṣà múra. Àmọ́ àwọn ìmúra kan ò yẹ fáwọn ibì kan. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wa ni ò mọ̀. O fẹ́ lọ sí church, ìgbà yẹn ló wọ tank top. Why èèyàn tó dàbí role model tó nírú stature tó ní kó wá máa wo nǹkan tó ń wọ̀? Kó ń ṣe dandan tó bá wọ D&G tí ara ẹ̀ ò dìgì kò ní D&G o. The third one will be confidence coaching. Now, a lot of us are good looking. We're beautiful. We are elegant. We carry ourselves well, but we do not have confidence. Some of us would even say that, I don't want to sit in the front. I don't want to sit in the front. Kí ló ń ṣe lẹ́yìn? What are you doing at the back? No, kí ló ń ṣe lẹ́yìn? Wọ́n fẹ́ fún ẹ ní mic kó sọ̀rọ̀. What is wrong with you? Number one, you really have to work on your tenses. Work on your pronunciations. Know how to pronounce words correctly. If it takes you going back to learn simple English, please do it. I want to hear. Clock. You can read books. And that helps you to improve your self-esteem, to improve your confidence level. Okay? All right? Please, I need you all to work on whatever gives you confidence. And please, work on your hygiene. I'm so sorry, we shouldn't be teaching this in this kind of a class. No, we shouldn't. But yet, we have to, because a lot of you do not know. Or you're just nonchalant about yourself. No. This year, tell yourself we are changing.
You're changing.
Tell another person we are changing.
You're changing.
Say to that lady, I am adding value to myself.
I am adding value to myself.
And I'm getting better.
And I'm getting better.
I am getting better and better.
I am getting better and better.
Thank you so much, guys. We'll go for a short break. I'll be back for that. Thank you, Ma.
Did you see how it fits?
Be ready for everything. Shows like a global on you. And I'm supposed to. You just walk on me exam.
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Hello. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú o. Mo fẹ́ béèrè àwọn ìbéèrè kan lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣé ẹ mind? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, kí ni nǹkan gangan tí ẹ wá ṣe ní bíbáyìí? Like, seriously, why are you ladies here?
Straight to the hard questions. No foreplay. What's your point?
Exactly.
For me, it's the confidence.
Confidence.
You'll be surprised how many women don't have it.
That's true.
Exactly.
Well, for me, I'm here for love. I'm a lover girl.
Fair enough.
Thank you. Well, financial stability brought me here.
At least you're honest.
My mother raised 5 children alone. Ojoojúmọ́ báyìí ni wọ́n fi ń tiraka. I don't want to go through that path at all.
I just want someone who chooses me.
Exactly.
Smart.
Gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́, love, confidence, ó yé mi, àmọ́ ẹ lè get gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí láì wá sí irú academy báyìí. You can get all this without coming here, don't you think?
Also,
don't you ladies find it ridiculous that men don't do such?
You know I follow you on those social media platforms.
Oh, really?
You are so quick to judge. Why are you even here?
I mean, no, I am just here to observe. Yeah, keep telling yourself that.
My dear, this conversation is not fair. You're quick to judge me. Why is she here?
Olùkọ́ àgbà ni mí o, ẹ̀kọ́ tó èkóró mú nǹkan wọn.
Power does not have to be conspicuous. You don't even have to recognize it earlier. Sometimes it comes like an influence. Another time, like presence. Or maybe restraint. It's... Okay, Miss Babalola.
Kí ló dé tó fi jẹ́ wípé gbogbo àwọn ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tẹ́ ń kọ́ níbí báyìí lórí àtúnṣe àwọn obìnrin ló dá lé lórí? Ká máa rọra sọ̀rọ̀, ká máa rẹ́rìn níwọ̀nba, ká má fi gbogbo ẹnu rẹ́rìn, ká máa jókòó dáadáa láwùjọ. Mo fẹ́ béèrè, ṣé gbogbo àwọn ọkùnrin náà ló ní àwọn ìwà ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ni? Mo kàn fẹ́ mọ̀ ni o, mo kàn ń béèrè ni. Àbí ṣé a kàn ń gbìyànjú láti dín ara wa kù gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin?
Dínkù nínú ìwà wa obìnrin àbí à ń kọ́ wa ní àwọn ìwà tó tọ́ àti tó yẹ?
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ láyé wa o, irú àwọn ìwà wo nìyẹn?
Àwọn ìwà tó yẹ kí ọmọlúwàbí máa wù. Àwọn ìwà tí ó lè attract àwọn ọkùnrin gidi. Tí wọ́n fi máa lè mọ̀ wípé ayẹ ni obìnrin tó yẹ kí wọ́n fẹ́ sílé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí wife material.
Yes, that is it. The period.
Wife material.
Yes.
Ọlọ́run ọba tó dá wa gan ò dá wa dọ́gba.
Yes.
Are you trying to tell us
She's right.
that we need to become whatever, anything that men want?
No.
Àbí kí ló dé?
That is a different thing from influence. They are not the same.
Okay. Kí àwa obìnrin ká máa hùwà gidi ká bá lè tara wa lọ́pọ̀ fáwọn ọkùnrin àbí?
Tara wa lọ́pọ̀ bíi ti báwo? Ṣé ó túmọ̀ sí wípé à ń tara wa lọ́pọ̀ tá a bá jẹ́ ọmọlúwàbí? Tá a ṣe bó ti tọ́ àti bó ṣe yẹ? Nítorí àwọn ìdánilẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tá à ń sọ yìí, ó ń kọ́ wa bá ṣe ń hùwà bí ọmọlúwàbí, bá ṣe ń yọ bí wọ́n ṣe ń rí wa bí obìnrin tó dára. Àbí ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ wípé Yorùbá ní ìrínisí òun ni ìṣenilọ́jọ̀. Yorùbá náà ló tún sọ wípé bí onígbá bá ṣe pé igbá ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe máa ń bá gbé. Àbí ẹ mọ̀ yẹn ni?
Please tell her. I think she's right.
No, she's not.
No, she's not. She's right. Why? Wait, when you support her?
She's not.
You see? Okay. This is it.
Big Sam, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ọtí la rí àrọ́mọ. Èmi ń lọlé o. Táìmù ti ń lọ.
Ròpẹ́, mo ti sọ fún ẹ, take it easy. Ìbàdàn kọ́ rèé pé ó ń pe bí ilẹ̀ oṣù láìṣẹ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìbàdí. Ẹ bá sọ fún ọmọ.
Tó bá láti àwọn ìlú tó ń lo microwave ni. Òun fà. Ìṣòro ẹ̀ fẹ́ fún wa máa wọ́n dùn. Microwave máa náwó sí trailer.
Ìlọ.
Olùmọ̀ tí Ìbàdàn máa sọ pé Ìbàdàn ló mọ ọmọ láìpò bí generator táwọn ọ̀dọ́tọ̀ ní David bá sọ oyè ṣàlàyé.
Mo ti ṣàlàyé fún bọ̀bọ̀ yìí. Ẹ má dá bọ̀bọ̀ yìí lóhùn. A ní oníṣòro tó máa tó calm down now. Táìmì lọ.
Ìgbà wo làwọn ẹ fẹ́ wọlé mi tí mo kán láti wá?
Lẹ́nu sọ̀rọ̀ Indomie. Ọba délẹ̀ sọ kí ló fẹ́ jẹ.
Ká sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o, bọ̀bọ̀ yìí dán ni o, ó ti pa àwọn ẹ̀dọ́ kan lójú mi.
Ìdán.
Ọ̀dọ́ pé epo tó gẹ́gẹ́ mo tí. Ọmọ tí ẹ̀ ló jẹ́ kí ìwọ́n máa bẹ̀rù ẹ̀ pé èrò.
Hello, guys.
Oh, wow.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so sorry for keeping you guys waiting. Ẹ má bínú. Ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? Ẹ kálẹ́. How are you?
Oye, ògùdé need apology. Àwọn agbóhun ṣe early comer. Abẹ́yìn náà ṣe pẹ́ dé. Àwọn agbọ́n láì kọ́ máa late. You understand? Early comer, need ẹ̀. Báwo ló ń lọ?
These are my girls. They are my latest students. Mo dẹ̀ ti sọ fún wọn wípé networking is part of what we do here. It's very important that they come, and that's why they are here. I've told them there is no string attached. It's just for them to get to meet good people like you, you know, get connected to real life and real people.
I go mine. No string attached, but we can pull string.
Talk it.
Oh, of course, it's business.
You understand? Owó làwọn tó ń àìdí ẹ jáde ẹ má borí ìlú àwọn àwọn náà wò wá.
Girls, please feel free to talk to them. They will assist you. Okay? I'll be outside, okay? Ṣé gan.
Sorry, wo. Oníṣànṣàn. We have this one. Winnie.
Má ṣe bí ọ̀sán.
Àkísà ẹlẹ́gbin ni torí bójú ń wò yín o. Ojúmọ́ ń wò yín.
Nǹkan mẹ́ta òun ni Number 1, respect. Number 2, peace. And the third one is emotional safety. So interesting. Okay.
Kí ló dé tó fi jẹ́ wípé àwa obìnrin ló yẹ ká wà responsible fún emotional well-being ẹ̀yin ọkùnrin?
Well, nǹkan tí ọkùnrin fẹ́ òun la sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú.
Nǹkan tí obìnrin fẹ́ ńkọ́?
Well, ìyẹn máa jẹ́ ọjọ́ mi, a different seminar, a different thing, and really a different speaker.
Convenient.
Nǹkan tó obìnrin ni mo sọ.
I'm just challenging the premise.
Of course you are. Well, you see, men spend their lives solving problems, competing, providing, and of course, building.
Yeah.
They just want to get home and feel peace. You know.
So what you're saying is that women should become emotional support animals?
So that is not what I'm saying.
But that is what you meant.
Aleppo.
Èmi náà mọ̀. Ìwọ kọ́ ló máa kọ́kọ́ sọ fún mi.
Ìtàn mi dùn ní ìbẹ̀rẹ̀. Àmọ́ nígbà tí ó yá, The future, they say, belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. But in reality, I believe that the future is nothing but a myth.
Boss, and it's in love up just like that.
Tomayo.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló dé tẹ̀ ń ṣe? Then pass boundary yìí. Kí ló dé dúró sáyé yín?
Is this where you live?
Yeah. Ibi ni èmi, Momsi àti àbúrò mi ń gbé. Jẹ́ ká lọ rí wọn nílé.
Tó bá mọ̀ pé mọ́mú yẹn ló bí ẹ tàbí ìyá kan náà ló bí èmi àti ẹ, ìwọ bọ́ta ń bí báyìí.
Hear me please. Jọ, ó ṣàlàyé kí ni wáṣọ ìjà lénìí. Jọ, excuse me.
Wọ́n ò wáṣọ ìjà, ló ń wáṣọ dúdú.
I think I find it very attractive.
Raymond, you're disturbing my peace. Are you mad? Do you have peace yourself? Ìwọ ló fún mi ní peace. Tó bá dẹ̀ sọ pé ò ní fún mi peace, èmi gan wọ́n máa jẹ́ ìkùnkùn lọ́rùn ẹ̀.
Tí máa fi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wa ti darí jì mí àbí? Àbúrò odò la máa ń dọ̀rùn láti báyìí.
Sherry, ẹ̀yin ló máa jẹ́ the sixth person.
Mo gbé.
You know, I'm not happy personally.
Omi ni pé torí ọ̀rọ̀ kan iná ṣe.
Obìnrin sọ pé òun ò ṣe mọ́. Ó tún wá ní pé kí ẹ máa mú gbogbo nǹkan tó tó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. That means she's coming from a place of love.
Tomayo, I think it's high time you let the cat out of the bag.
We're in this together, whatever it is, let me know. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀, kí ni mo ṣe? Kí lẹ ṣẹ̀ mi? What have I done?
It's the end of the road.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, mo kí yín kú oríire.
Mami, yí 360.
Yí 360. Ìyá mi mọ́ ti jù. Yéé! Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi! Bọ̀dá mi, èmi ni.
Daniel, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mo ní kí n wá kí àǹtí Ṣẹ̀wá ní bóyá wà òkè.
Daniel.
Ma?
You need anything.
Can you please explain to me what is going on between you and my girlfriend?
So you realize pé ọmọ yẹn ni mo fẹ́ fẹ́?
Ẹ fẹ́ fẹ́?
Yes. Ẹ fẹ́ náà. Yeah. Àìmọye èèyàn tó máa jẹ́ pé slaughter ló ń gbọ́mọ lọ tí ò ń ṣe ọ̀tá.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wa àtàbúrò mi?
Ọ̀rọ̀ òde wo ló ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi? Kí ló máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin mi àtàbúrò ẹ̀? Come on now, ṣé aṣẹ́wó ló pè mí? Ṣé aṣẹ́wó ló gbé sílé ni? Mo fúnra mi fa wàhálà sínú ayé ara mi.
Lọ ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Bá ọmọ Winston, mò ń lè jáde kúrò nínú ilé. Fiancé mi là ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé o ní pé kó mú ìvẹ́rù lọ sínú yàrá ẹ̀. Àsìkínìjọ́.
Tó bá mọ̀ pé yàrá ìjà ẹ̀. As in Momsi ló bí ẹ tí o ṣe bo express till birth nígbà tó bí ẹ pé doctor confirm ẹ dead kó tó ní post fún jáde after 3 days tí ìgbà tí fọwọ́ kan báàgì má fọwọ́ kan bí o kò sòrò I'll show you this stuff I made of.
So, I listened to your podcast.
Okay.
Tí o tiẹ̀ ní béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé kí ni mo rò pa ẹ̀.
Èmi ò care fún opinion àbí approval ọkùnrin lórí nǹkan kan tí wàá ṣe.
Of course you don't. But kí n má parọ́ tán ẹ̀, I like it. It's very passionate.
Just say it.
Mo rò pé o care.
Oh, I still do not care.
Well, it has a lot of potential. I think it's worth discussing about.
What exactly are you proposing?
You'll find out.
Congratulations.
That sounds threatening. Congratulations from Kenya.
David picked you.
Excuse me?
Yeah, for a date. Ni Aleola.
You were interested.
They're not interested in what?
In going on a date with him. No, I am not interested.
She, David or what?
You were interested in this entire ridiculous process.
But unfortunately, you signed the agreement. It is mandatory for every participant to end the program and to do everything that we do here. And I told you that from the beginning. There will be no exception.
So you're going to force me to go on a date now?
No. I'm only going to encourage you to finish your program.
You are unbelievable.
Yeah, I know. There are rumors that he wants to sponsor your little ranting podcast. It's a date. Please, when you're going, make sure you wear something nice. Not like what you're wearing now or what you always wear. Thanks for coming, Miss Babalola. Please shut my door behind you. I love you still.
Why do you look like you're preparing for a police interrogation?
You want to Aribe? You know that police interrogations are usually against one's will.
Come on. This is just a dinner.
Sounds like what a serial killer would say.
Why are you angry? Yeah. I mean, why are you angry at life, men, marriage, successful people?
I do not hate successful people.
Just the rich ones.
Well, the annoying ones.
Good. Because I was worried for a minute. Tell me, what's the worst thing someone has ever said to you?
Angry.
That's all?
Maybe savage. I get that a lot. What about you?
Me? I'll be a spoiled billionaire.
Were they wrong?
Painfully so.
Please. Why exactly are we here, David?
We're here to eat. Because I'm sure you eat something else aside from men.
What?
Come on, relax. We're here to know each other better, obviously. And of course, to have a feel of your podcast.
That I can agree with you on. What's your conclusion?
Like I said, I think it's something worth investing in.
That is interesting.
But before we go further, we need to eat something.
Okay.
Hello. Please come.
So good to have you here, though.
Thank you.
For dinner?
For not being insufferable.
Oh, wow. High praise.
Well, don't get used to it.
Shadi, can I tell you something?
Oh my God. Why do I feel like I should say no?
You're not what I expected.
And what did you expect?
A woman who let anger and hatred rule her.
You see, women have a lot to be angry about.
I quite agree. But that shouldn't rule the entirety of your identity.
Good night, David.
Shadi. Shadi.
Mo ṣe yìí náà, mo ṣe yìí náà, ẹgbẹ́ fún mi, mo ṣe yìí náà o. Mo ṣe yìí náà, mo ṣe yìí náà, mo ní mo ṣe yìí náà, ẹgbẹ́ fún mi, mo ṣe yìí náà o. Ẹ̀kọ́ tí mo ń kọ́ wọn ò ṣe fowó rà, wọn ò lè ríra bí wọ́n lọ sọ́jà. Wọ́n ìgbéraga, wọ́n ìbọ́kọjá. Ẹ̀kọ́ yé wọn yege, wọ́n ìbọ́kọjá.
You asked to see me. Excuse me.
You heard me. You stop giving me updates.
Maybe because there is nothing there to report.
What I see. No. Keep on trying, that's all.
There is nothing there. Believe me.
David, don't be ridiculous. In the first place, so more reason to share Jeppe when you push any phone. Ṣé o ti ẹ̀ rántí àwọn nǹkan tó wà stake tí kìíní yóò bá lọ bí mo ṣe plan ẹ̀? Are you aware? David, don't complicate things for me. Get into the script. I beg you in the name of God. I hope I am understood.
Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ lè kà sílẹ̀ fún mi yìí ṣé ó dá yín lójú dájúdájú?
Ó dá mi lójú. Èmi àti cousin mi la wà nínú kíní. Wọ́n dẹ̀ lè sọ fún mo lè get wọn kan sọ fún yín ní àwọn nǹkan tí mo sọ fún yín.
Àtẹ̀yìn àti cousin yín lè experience gbogbo ilé.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ní receipt.
Ẹ ní receipt, okay. Ó yé mi. Nísìn yóò ṣe jẹ́ nísìn kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan tó fi jẹ́ pé ẹ send the message yẹn sí mi tó fi jẹ́ pé mi lè sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fún.
Ṣẹ́rí mo máa ń rí àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe mo dẹ̀ like àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe. Mi ṣe sọ pé kí n sọ fún yín. Èmi gan mo wish pé mo láyà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe láyà.
Ẹ̀yin má worry. Mo máa ṣe àyẹ̀wò sí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. I am going to look into it. Ṣé ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀?
Thank you very much. I just feel there's a deceit. If not, why sell something that is not?
Ó yé mi.
Ẹ ṣé gan.
Ẹ má ṣe yẹn ni.
Ẹ ṣé. Ẹ ṣé.
Ẹ ṣé gan. Yes.
Ṣadé, ó ti ń deviate nínú script yìí again. Ikọ̀ tó àjọ sọ kọ́ lélẹ̀.
Sórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ Ìbísọ́lá, ọ̀rọ̀ tó lè dín ńlá ni. It is a serious matter.
It is not your business.
Wow. Ṣebí ìwọ iná ló sọ pé kí n lọ sí Wife Academy kí n lọ wádìí wọn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Èmi kò ń ṣeré ń tèmi. You see this Omolara woman. She's very wicked though. How dangerous. She can end us.
Do I look like I'm scared of her? Ẹ̀rù Ọmọlára Johnson ò bà mí rárá. Sórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí, èmi yìí mo máa dé ìdí ẹ̀. I am going to do it. Mo máa tú iṣu dé ìsàlẹ̀ ìkòkò. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for agreeing to meet with me. Ẹ ṣé tí ẹ wá.
No problem. You're welcome.
Tẹ́ bá ti ṣetán láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀. Àmọ́ ká tó bẹ̀rẹ̀, mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ̀ pé ìkọkíkọ tẹ́ bá sọ fún mi ní ẹ̀yìn, àárín ẹ̀yin àti èmi ló wà. I am going to keep it confidential as long as you want. The Wife Material Academy. Kò ṣe nǹkan táwọn èèyàn rò wọ́n. It's beyond that. And there is nothing like matchmaking involved. Wọ́n máa kó wa. Wọ́n máa select wa. Pé a lọ fún networking events to meet high-class men. Tàbá débẹ̀, they will introduce us to some people and we'll be forced to do things that we do not want to do. When you say they force you to do things you do not want to do, I want Kimi and want to many pikeshi. Sorry, can you say more about that? What do you mean by Nikwe one match Jeke Koti or Feshi? Can this be off record? Don't worry. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ti ṣe sọ fún yín tẹ́lẹ̀, ìkọ́ kíkọ́ tí a bá sọ ní èyí, àárín àwa méjèèjì nìkan ló wà. The thing is, we all know we are escorting and nobody wants to talk. Because you know how powerful she is. And I've seen what happens to women on sorrow. In fact, she runs escorting service for both men and women. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ àti àwọn ẹ̀sùn tí ẹ fi ń kan Ọmọlára Johnson àti the Wife Material Academy. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ sọ yìí, ṣó dá yín lójú? Ṣé mo máa fi irú nǹkan báyìí parọ́ fún yín? You don't believe me. I believe you. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kàn jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó tóbi gan. A dẹ̀ máa nílò not just nǹkan tí ẹ sọ fún mi nísìn. Mo ti gbà mo gbà yín gbọ́. Àmọ́ I need more evidence ṣó yé yín. Ó jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá. We need to make our case. A dẹ̀ máa need any evidence, anything tó bá lè help wa. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ó ní anybody bí àwọn tí ẹ ti jọ ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, àwọn obìnrin tó yẹ kó wọ́n jọ kó yín, tó ń kó yín fún àwọn ọkùnrin olówó tẹ́jọ ti ṣerú nǹkan báyìí tẹ́lẹ̀. Ṣó ẹ mọ̀ wọ́n tó dẹ̀ máa wà willing láti bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Mo ṣe sọ tẹ́lẹ̀, kò sẹ́nibody tó fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. I mean, we're powerless. We want something. Nǹkan tá a rò ní pé a máa lọ síbẹ̀, wọ́n máa kọ́ wa bá ṣe máa tún ilé ayé ara wa ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin. But nǹkan mi là bá ń bẹ̀. And not so many people want to come out and talk about it. But I know some women that are willing to talk. I'll talk to them. Okay. So nǹkan tó bá ti sọ, màá jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀. And then maybe we can arrange something from there. Ẹ má worry. Ẹ̀yin ẹ kàn ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ láti get contact àwọn obìnrin yìí. Kàn bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Okay. Please. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín o. Please don't mention names. Don't reveal anybody's face. I beg you. Please. You don't have to worry. You have nothing to worry about. It's off record. It's confidential. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for doing this.
Could a little quiet.
Àwọn nǹkan kan wà lórí ọkàn mi. Ó ní àwọn investigations kan tí mo ń ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Some things don't seem right, David. Nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀. Àwọn kan wá bá mi. Wọ́n sọ pé báyìí ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Wife Material Academy. Kàn pè mí. Mo lọ bá àwọn kan mi bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. So many things like that. Àmọ́ mo ṣe ń ṣe àwọn diggings kan.
Oh, come on. This sounds unbelievable.
I have evidence.
Come, people lie.
kí n ṣe bí ele. Ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ìtóbi. Wọn ò lè parọ́ nípa gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ fún mi ni. Ṣebí ìwọ ń bá arábìnrin yìí ṣiṣẹ́, ó ti pẹ́ tó ti mọ̀. Ṣé àwọn nǹkan kan ò rú ẹ lójú? Don't you suspect anything?
Ṣadé, mo ti mọ Ọmọlára nísìnyí ó ti ṣe díẹ̀. Àtìgbà tí mo dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ mi ò rò pé mo suspect anything dubious. You know what? Èmi fúnra mi á ṣe 1 or 2 investigations, okay? You just hold on.
Okay.
Are we good?
Mo ti gbọ́ ẹ. But please, èmi náà máa ṣe tèmi láyé ara mi. I need to get to the bottom of this.
Very well then.
Ó bá ní nínú jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin tó yẹ ká mọ̀ wò la ò kọ́ ṣe.
Ọmọlára, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Is it true? What I'm hearing, is it true? Is it true that you're still running the escort business? Ṣé bíbí mi àti ẹ decide láti stop ẹni lẹ́yìn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀?
Yes, we did.
Kí ló wá dé tí mo tún ṣe ń gbọ́ wípé you're still running it? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? In the same business tí wọ́n fúnra rẹ̀ tó ń try láti correct ní society, tó ń try láti amend things in the society, the same business yìí náà láti wá buy, tó ń deceive àwọn ladies yìí, tó ń gbé wọn fọ́kùnrin.
David, mo mọ̀ pé kò easy bẹ́ẹ̀. Owó tí yóò ti fi àìmọye ọdún ṣe. Kò easy kí èèyàn kàn fílẹ̀ bẹ́yẹn lójijì. Èmi àti ẹ náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé this business is a very lucrative business. At least, èmi àti ẹ ṣàn rówó ń bẹ̀.
Ọmọlára, this same business táwọn èèyàn ti ń fi mú fílẹ̀ báyìí. People are beginning to ask questions. Tó bá dẹ̀ dé level kan, agbára ò ní kà mọ́.
People.
Oh yes.
Àwọn wo làwọn èèyàn tó ń sọ yìí? Jẹ́ kí n guess. Kò tiẹ̀ lead. Nítorí ò tí fún mi lẹ́rìí tó dájú. Àmọ́ títí dìgbà tó máa fi fún mi lẹ́rìí tó dájú àwọn èèyàn tó ń sọ yìí. David, I am watching and I am waiting. Okay?
You used me.
I used you? You? All of a sudden, ọkàn wa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lẹ́rìí ọkàn ṣá. Ẹ̀rí ọkàn tí ò ní tẹ́lẹ̀ irọ́ kò ń ṣe ẹ̀rí ọkàn. Ọkàn yóò fẹ́, ó wá ń jẹ́ kó feel bí ẹni pé o lẹ́rìí ọkàn níwọ.
David, do not cross me. Because if you do, I will crush you.
Màá rún ẹ yégéyégé. Èmi ìkà. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà dùn. Ó fẹ́ ké.
Àṣé bọ́n ṣe pè yín lẹ́ ń jẹ́. Aṣojú tán fi wò yín lẹ́ jẹ́. Ẹ̀rí yín ò ṣe é gbàjẹ́. Ìwà ìbàjẹ́ lẹ fi yàn kàn.
Shadi, you need to see this.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Get close to her. Make her trust you. If she falls for you, nobody will ever take her serious anymore.
That shouldn't be difficult.
Oh my God.
gbàgbé pé ìwà rere lẹ̀ṣọ́ ènìyàn. Ẹ ń gbá wọn ìyàwó lé falẹ̀ nígboro. Irú etí wo ló yẹ ká fi gbọ́ nígboro? Gbẹ̀yìn tí wọ́n fi ṣe role model, àṣé old model nìyí. You are a bad influence, teacher, don't teach me nonsense. Ẹ ṣe ṣí ọ̀sí. Ẹ ṣe ṣí ọ̀sí rú wọn.
Kí ló ń ṣe mí báyìí?
Oh. Shade.
Potter.
Shade. I'm sorry.
Kí ló fẹ́ sọ? Ó wá bí báyìí, wá explain àbí? Kí ló fẹ́ sọ gangan? Kí ló wà lẹ́nu ẹ tó fẹ́ sọ? Ní pé gbogbo ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ as a setup, ṣùgbọ́n nísìnyí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, àbí? Kí ló fẹ́ sọ?
Shade.
Okay. Ó fẹ́ wá sọ fún mi pé Ọmọlára ló rán ẹ. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Oníṣẹ́ yín ti jẹ́. Mo mọ̀ pé Ọmọlára ló rán ẹ sí mi. Mo mọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀.
See, I didn't expect that.
Exactly. You didn't expect ni pé ìyún ẹlẹ́ran ara lèmi náà. Ní pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ òun ló ràn nínú veins mi, àbí? Ṣó mọ̀ nǹkan? Kò tiẹ̀ wá dùn. Kò dùn mí ní pé mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo blame ara mi ní pé mo fi ọkàn tán ẹni.
Shade, lóòótọ́ I just started as a setup. Right now as I speak to you, Shade, I'm madly in love with you. Shade, I'm serious. Mo ti nífẹ̀ẹ́ bí mo ṣe wà.
Really? Lẹ́yìn gbogbo irọ́, lẹ́yìn gbogbo manipulations ìwọ àti Ọmọlára, lẹ́yìn gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó gbé rán ẹ tí wọn náà jẹ́, àbí? You're in love with me.
Shade, o dẹ̀ jọ̀ọ́.
Look, you don't get to hurt people honestly and call it integrity. Because even now, o kàn tẹ́wọ́ pé, o ò lè sọ fún mi ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan, àbí? Orobia mi o. I know you are part of the escort service. I know everything. Jọ̀ọ́ tó bá ní nǹkan tó wá ṣe níbí báyìí, bọ́ síta.
Shade.
Bọ́ síta fún mi, jọ̀ọ́. O ṣì ń dúró ní bọ́ síta. Ṣé kí wọ́n ṣílẹ̀kùn fún ẹ?
So all Team Ọmọlára, ṣàlàáfíà lẹ wà. This is me telling you all that video to circulate online yìí pé kò kí n ṣiṣẹ́ ọwọ́ mi o. Ẹ̀yin náà ti mọ oríṣiríṣi àrà tí àwọn èèyàn fi AI dancing. Ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́ni tó máa lórí, ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́ni tó máa lẹ́sẹ̀, ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́ni tó máa lóhùn. Ó wá di ohùn lóhùn ìsọ̀ ara lára Jacob bí wọ́n ṣe ń da gbogbo ẹ̀rọ tó ń da lúpọ̀ mọ́ ṣàpá sí nìyẹn. Jẹ́jẹ́ mi ni mo jókòó tí David approach me wípé òun nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí Miss Babalola. Mo dẹ̀ ní why not? Ẹ̀yin náà ṣáà mọ̀ pé Miss Babalola jẹ́yàn tó wà against nǹkan tá à ń ṣe látilẹ̀. Wọ́n ti gbà tó wá sí academy wa tóun náà wá rí. Òun àti David dẹ̀jọ pàdé, wọ́n dẹ̀jọ nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wọn. Àbí ta ló ń rí ọkùnrin tó dùn wò, tó lówó lọ́wọ́, tó níwà gidi, tó tún mọ ìkẹ́ obìnrin ṣe tí ò ní yóò fẹ́. Ìfẹ́ lásán ni Miss Babalola yóò. And èmi ò dẹ̀ rí nǹkan kan tó wrong níbẹ̀. Àbí ṣé ká nífẹ̀ẹ́ ara wa? Ṣó ti wá di ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni? No. Ẹ wò ó, àwọn èèyàn tó ń pera wọn ní feminist gangan tí wọ́n bá rí ọkùnrin bíi David, wọ́n á yóò fẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù báyìí lọ, mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé tèmi ìtìyẹn ní tòótọ́. Ọmọlára, I see you all. Bye. Thank you.
Ma'am.
What?
We had a lot of negative comments from the line.
Negative comments? No matter, feel it.
So should I delete it?
Delete it? For what? Fisile now. She good comments, Connie. She's saying the truth. She can never lie. I will tell me Barona, I go lie for you. If you want it. Come on, Jenny.
As you lay your bed now, so you go lie on top. One show you say one, one say on top. Baby, build your home with so much care and love. Baby, treat your man right. Come on, logo. White material. White material. My logo. White material. Oh. White material. White material. My logo.
This is getting ridiculous.
Son, fimi sílẹ̀. O lè padà síbi tó ti ń bọ̀ jù.
No. Ṣó mọ nǹkan tó wà annoying. Ó ń jẹ́ kó win. Yeah.
Kí ló fẹ́ kí n ṣe? Ó ti sún mi.
Good. Be tired. But be tired after you expose them, not before. Kí ló ń ṣe? Ó ní òun ẹlẹ́rìí. Ó ní òun interviews tó ṣe. Ó ní evidence. And you're hiding because people laughed at you. You built an entire career telling women to stop shrinking. Take your own advice. Oh, you did it.
Hi, Papa. Everybody's happy. Yeah.
Hi, you're very congratulations to you all. Today we celebrate transformation. I would like to say very big thank you to all of you.
Thank you.
Mo wí pé kò kí ń ṣe gbogbo àwa tá jọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ la parí lénìí. Ṣé bẹ́yìn náà gbàgbé pé Bíbélì sọ wípé ọ̀pọ̀ la pè àmọ́ díẹ̀ la rí. Ó take determination, perseverance, commitment fún gbogbo yín láti ṣe àṣeyọrí fún ilé ìtẹ̀ṣe. Ẹ ṣara yín láti ẹ̀. I'm here to say thank you to all of you.
You're welcome.
Tonight, we celebrate women becoming a better version of themselves.
Ṣé lóòótọ́?
Please do not be dramatic today.
Mi ò wà dramatic tó ẹni tó ń run escort ring in disguise of matchmaking. What do you say?
No, that's a lie. I didn't hear that.
Please be careful what you say today.
Yes.
Because me ò ní take it easy pẹ̀lú ẹ.
Yes.
Take it seriously this time.
Ìwọ ni kó wà careful Ọmọlára. Our former students ẹ ti bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Money messages, payment proofs, evidence full ground.
Àti ọjọ́ tí mo ti mọ̀ ẹ́ ni mo ti mọ̀ ẹ́ lónírọ́. Mo dey try as much as possible to avoid you because I know o kì í ṣe ìtura. O kì í ṣe olóòótọ́ èèyàn.
The right situation. Always. Yes.
A máa tó mọ ẹni tó jẹ́ onírọ́ láàrin èmi àti ìwọ. Look at you all, poor ladies.
Hey God, you dust it for your mind.
She graduation from the Wife Material Academy.
Yes.
We are proud. And we are proud. Yeah.
Ẹ mọ nǹkankan, ó má fi nǹkan hàn yín.
You better prove it. I can't even believe her. That's it.
Ladies, ẹ wo WhatsApp group.
right.
It is not true. I'm telling you.
For a long time, mo believe wípé tí obìnrin bá ń wá love, ó máa wà manipulated. Àmọ́, the problem is not love. The problem is manipulation. Mo dẹ̀ tún kọ́ wípé loneliness is real, love is real. Tí obìnrin bá dẹ̀ ń wá companionship, ìyẹn ò túmọ̀ sí wípé ó weak. The problem is teaching women that their value depends on who chooses them. Wife material lately kì í ṣe nípa ká bọ̀wọ̀ fún ọkọ nìkan, kì í ṣe nípa ọ̀rọ̀, kì í ṣe nípa ìtẹríba, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kì í ṣe nípa feminism. Ṣùgbọ́n nípa òtítọ́ ni, ìgbọ́ra ẹni yé àti maturity. It is knowing who you are before choosing who you love.
Ṣadé. Báwo ni?
Báwo ni?
Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ yìí. Mo ti rehearse it like 40 times in front of me. I know I hurt you deeply. I know. And I'm sincerely sorry. John to roll along. Thank you. What started off as manipulation eventually became the most honest thing I've ever felt in my life. I know that's not enough.
It is not enough. Àmọ́ àwọn documents àti files tó fún ránṣẹ́ sí mi, wọ́n ràn mí lọ́wọ́ gidi gan.
So, are we good now? Just good. I mean,
we're getting there.
Friends?
Are you coming or not?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Thanks for coming.
Kò sí problem. Mo kàn ní ìbéèrè kan fún yín. Okay. Ìgbà wo lẹ stop láti máa believe nínú nǹkan tí ẹ ń kọ gangan? Àbí ṣé ó ever ní time tí ẹ believe rárá láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá?
Mi ò stop láti máa believe nínú nǹkan tí mo kọ́ àwọn èèyàn. Àárín kan ni gbogbo nǹkan kan yí padà. Èmi tó ń wo yìí, ọmọ àti ẹrọ̀fọ̀ dìde nínú. Àmọ́ Ọlọ́run wá bá mi ṣe. Ó wá fẹ́ billionaire. Níyẹn ọkọ tí mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́. Àmọ́ nínú ìgbéyàwó yẹn, inú mi ò dùn rárá. Nítorí pé ṣe ni mo dàbí ẹrú. Dàbí ẹrú olówó, mi ò ní say, mi ò ní kankan. A lot ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú marriage yẹn. Mi fẹ́ máa go into details torí mi ò fẹ́ take time. Gbà tó yá, mo divorce. After divorce wa ni mo wá ṣàwárí ara mi. Mo wá mọ ẹni tí mo jẹ́ gangan. mo ti wá ní confidence. Mo ti mọ ìyàtọ̀ láàárín ọ̀tún àti òsì. Mo ti mọ̀ pé mo dá pé mo wúlò fúnra mi, mo lè jámọ́ nǹkan kan. Ẹ̀yìn ìgbà yẹn ni mo wá pàdé ọkọ tí mo fẹ́ nísìn. Ọkọ tí mo fẹ́ ń sìn yìí ó dá sí mi gan, ó dẹ̀ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, ó fìfẹ́ hàn sí mi. Ìwọ náà mọ̀ pé mo ti mọ̀ dáadáa, ojú mi ti là. Èèyàn kankan ò lè fọwọ́ rọ́ mi sẹ́yìn mọ́. Ìdí nìyẹn tí mo fi rò pé kémi náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa kọ́ àwọn obìnrin, kí n kó wọn jọ, kí n máa kọ́ wọn. I want women to feel seen, feel saved, feel loved. Mi ò fẹ́ kí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi nínú ìgbéyàwó yẹn kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹni obìnrin regardless of ẹni tó bá fẹ́. Nǹkan tí mo ṣe dá academy yẹn sílẹ̀ nìyẹn. Àmọ́ kọ́kọ́rọ́ kan ló bẹ̀yìn ajá jẹ́. Ọkọ tí mo fẹ́ bó ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi tó ń kẹ́ mi tó ẹ̀ kò really sí owó púpọ̀ nínú marriage yẹn. Kò ṣe pé kò sówó rárá o, àmọ́ kò tó irú owó ibi tí mo ti ń bọ̀. Mo dẹ̀ ti create standard fúnra mi already. Ó wá kù bí mo ṣe fẹ́ meet up pẹ̀lú standard ibi tí mo ti ń bọ̀. Ṣàìdédé ni mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní rò pé irú ọ̀nà kí n máa fi make owó díẹ̀díẹ̀ because academy tí mo ṣe mi ò ṣe fowó. Kò ṣe pé torí pé mo ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ wọn ni. Ibo mo ti wá fẹ́ rówó láti fi lè máa sustain standard tí àwọn èèyàn ti mọ̀ mí mọ́. Ibi nǹkan kéékèèké yẹn ká gbé wọn fọ́kùnrin, ká gbowó lórí wọn. Àwọn náà máa make owó, òbí mi náà máa make ń bẹ. Nǹkan tí mo wá fi ń sustain ara mi láti lè live up to that standard nìyẹn. At some point èmi náà rò àwọn Fọláṣadé kò easy láti padà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àárọ̀.
Sherry, ẹ ò ṣe nǹkan tí ó burú ní pé ẹ ń gbìyànjú láti ran àwọn obìnrin lọ́wọ́ láti train wọn nípa bó ṣe ń hùwà àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Àmọ́ ibi tí ẹ ti kùnà ni ibi tí ẹ ti ń kọ́ àwọn obìnrin yìí wípé láìsí ọkùnrin nílé ayé wọn wípé wọn ò já mọ́ nǹkan kan. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí obìnrin, a já mọ́ so many things. We can do so many things. Ṣó yé yín? And we can be complete without men. We can live fulfilled lives. Ká má fọ̀rọ̀ gùn jù, mo kàn ní advice ẹyọ kan fún yín ni. Ó máa dá kí ẹ padà sí ìbẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìdí gangan tí ẹ fi dá Wife Material Academy sílẹ̀ láti fi máa ran àwọn obìnrin lọ́wọ́ ní tòótọ́. Ó máa dá kẹ́ padà sí. Ṣó ti yé yín? Nítorí pé lóòótọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn obìnrin wọ́n nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ó máa dá tí ẹ bá lè gba advice.
Èmi náà mọ̀. Mo wish pé gbogbo time tí mo ti ń rò ó ti jáwọ́. Torí èmi náà máa ń rò ẹ̀rù ibo ni mo ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ló máa ń bà mí. Àmọ́ nísìn tí mo tiẹ̀ ti wá lose everything, kò ṣe pé mo lose owó àbí nǹkan kan ló ń dùn mí. Àmọ́ ìdí pàtàkì tí mo fi gbé sílẹ̀ my integrity. Oh God. It's okay, Shade. Thanks for coming again. I appreciate you.
No problem. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you.
Ẹja mọ́ bá wọn sọ òwe kí wọ́n yé hùwà ìbàjẹ́ mọ́ òwe
níṣó níṣó.
Ẹ dákun.
Níṣó níṣó. Bóyá lọ́lẹ̀ gbalasa ṣé o gbọ́ mi ni mo ní kó lọ́lẹ̀ ṣé tí ń dùn ọ ni.
Ẹ dákun.
Agbóke olùmọdé jẹ ìwé ṣé mo wí fún ọ ṣé mi ò wí fún ọ.
Mo bẹ̀yìn. Ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run.
Máa lo ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni.
Ẹ dákun ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe tán ẹ dákun.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kí ẹ náà. Mi ò jẹ náírà.
Kò fẹ́ gbogbo.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
Mo fana lóko rẹ̀.
Mo níṣẹ́ kan lọ́wọ́.
Second.
Assassin. Wọ́n bá ṣàṣìyàn, wọ́n tó mọ̀ kú díẹ̀. Iṣẹ́ ọ̀nà fi pa bá sọ̀rùn ga.
Mo fana. Dákun kí ló gbé mi náà.
Èyí mọ́ tí máa kẹ́yìn ọmọ olùsílá báyìí. Àdéhùn àárín mi àti bàbá yín mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Èmi kúkú ọmọ pa, ń ṣàgbà tó fi dúró náà ni.
Ọ̀dájúdájú wọ́n sì tún fi ń ṣera rẹ níbi.
Ẹgbẹ́ ni wọ́n ní búkú tó gbé kékeré ẹ̀yàwó.
Béèyàn bá bímọ dáa kéèyàn máa ṣàyẹ̀wò ẹ̀jẹ̀. Báyìí pé mo ti ṣàyẹ̀wò ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé wèrè mo bí.
Kó fana tìgìdì rẹ̀ ń ṣeré ẹ̀tẹ̀. Tọ́lọ́ sì kọjá yìí lọ́dọ̀ mi. Kọ́ ọ má bàa fojú sunkún rẹ̀.
Ìwọ ló fojú sunkún.
Kọ́nàkọ́nà ti náà máa gbà. Ìjà méje. Ẹ̀mú ní báyé èṣù jẹ́. Àtọ́fún àtọ́sùn. Èlú ní báyé àwọn méjèèjì jẹ́. Èlú ní báyé yín jẹ́.
Níkú fọ̀nàánà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni olórí. Wọ́n ní kí làwọn àgbọ̀ ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ fún wípé àwọn àgbọ̀ ṣe mẹ́wàá.
Àwọn tó bá jà ní àjẹ́ ni wọ́n. Tó fẹ́ fi gbogbo ẹnu pè wọ́n ni.
Bàbá mi ní máa bínú sóníjà rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọdún mẹ́ta, oṣù mẹ́ta, ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́ta, ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, wákàtí mẹ́ta, ìṣẹ́jú mẹ́ta. Èmi kú fúnná lójú ẹsẹ̀ ní ìdájọ́ bá bínú sí.
Àwọn sàtálágbẹ̀dẹ fún bí nǹkan táwọn alágbẹ̀dẹ kan fojú di. Ikú tí ń pani tí ń dúró tí mi ò fi mọ́ làkàlàkà fẹ́ náà èèyàn sọ́lẹ̀ gbọ̀n. Láwọn tó jẹ́ pé èmi fúnra mi ò lè kọ́yán wọn kí n má fèwé bò. Ọlọ́run bá wọn àgbàjá.
Á lọ dènà dènà. Yóò jẹ orí burúkú níyà.
Ẹ̀rọ àtẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀yà ayé. Ẹ̀rọ àtẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀yà àgbà.
Àwọn kọ́pù kan wà ń tàṣà wọ́n lọ sí ilé òtẹ́ wa ó dẹ̀ kí wọ́n ní interest nínú géèmù yẹn.
Mr. and Mrs. Dada. You're sitting before a lie detector. Any question that comes your way, you either say yes or no. Any attempt for you to say, okay, I'm not doing it again, means death.
Stop it, sir.
No physical attack.
You are sick upstairs.
What do you do for a living?
Clear and forward it, sir.
Have you ever cheated on Mrs. Dada?
Never.
Olè ló yà.
Ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ sàpẹ́tẹ́ yóò bá rí egún, èèyàn máa fòkàn ṣe bọ́ọ̀lù. Ìgbẹ́ tó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ níta bàyẹ̀ tó bọ́ọ̀lù kí lè kú.
Ṣèbí nígbà tí mo béèrè Mattel, ó sọ pé mo fẹ́ tẹ́. Ó tún ní kí n béèrè Chivita.
Ọ̀tá náà ló ṣe ní mo ti fi dà. Tó bá gbọ́ kọ́ ọ́dà ẹni tí ó bá ní.
Wọ́n jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé ìwé gangan ìyàwó ẹ̀.
Mi ò like máa sọ part story because mi ò like èèyàn máa pity ni.
Shut up. Embarrassment is better than you. If you're a robber, what do you do for a living? Another will say, yes, I'm a robber. You, what do you do for a living? Nothing. Go and find a living. Become a thief one day.
Hello, Mr. Dada. I told you, if you disobey me, you will die. Shut up! You will die. You will die.
My third leg was dangling between my laps on the streets of Lagos. Shoot!
Má sọ mí dopò ọ̀sán gangan mò ń bẹ̀ ẹ́ ni.
Bí o sowó, fáàrí o sí.
Kí ni source of income yìí?
real estate ni mo ṣe sà. Mo ń ralẹ̀, mo dẹ̀ ń talẹ̀, mo ń talẹ̀.
Ìyàwó mi, ibo ló dà tẹ́ kó sáṣọ pupa láì ṣiṣan?
Àgbà mẹ́ta tó mọ̀ díẹ̀ ta òun ìdí aṣọ tí mo wọ̀.
Wọ́n ní òun dáadáa sí. Ó lè ṣe wàyí. Ó ní sùúrù.
Kò fẹ́ nìyẹn, nǹkan tọ́kọ bá ti lóun ò fẹ́, kò fẹ́ nìyẹn, ó máa gba nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ni.
Ẹ bá mi bẹ̀ kó má kú bá mi.
Kí n wá fi nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá tó di ìtàn lẹ́nu kí n fi hàn.
Balẹ̀. Ìwọ àti Sisi Anjola àbúrò ẹ̀, ó ní àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́ ń fi pamọ́ fún mi.
Èmi ni mo ṣokùnfà bó ṣe lóyún ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì fún.
Mo gbọ́kọ mi rẹ́, mi ò gbọ́kọ mi rẹ́, mo ṣépè fọkọ mi, mi ò ṣépè fọkọ mi. Báwo ló ṣe kàn ẹ́? Ǹtẹ́ ń wá nídìí akọ̀ṣù, ẹ má kàn nídìí ìwúra o.
Tó bá ti lè tó àsìkò ìpèsè yìí, mo gbọ́dọ̀ wálé láti wá ṣe.
Mo ṣèlérí fún ẹ pé mi ò ní fi.
Side.